24 designers to create a wall of public life for Seoul's 5th Biennale of Architecture and Urbanism.
Hit the bell and subscribe for notifications on all our future videos. And head below to leave a like and comment about what you enjoyed from today's video.
Why do so many buildings feel cold and disconnecting when they could spark joy? The Seoul Biennale of Architecture and Urbanism aims to change that. 24 designers are reimagining building exteriors to invoke emotional responses. From walls encrusted with jewels to structures made of Korean pine, each installation seeks to challenge architectural norms. Thomas Heatherwick, the curator, is tackling the blandemic of uniform buildings. His Humanized initiative is based on studies showing how dull architecture can harm our well-being. He calls for buildings that are warm, varied, and engaging. The Wall of Public Life exhibition invites the public to interact with these ideas. For more on this story, read the full article in our Workplace and Wellbeing category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.